Hey up. Sorry, I was just trying out a new angle. Right, so I've got here an I.S.E.O. It does have a mummified key on the side, but we ain't going to look at that yet. This was pinned up by, it's one of, came in the post from Potty 314. Anyone that hasn't checked his channel out, have a gander at that. Lovely chap, a lovely load of locks that came through. This was actually pinned by his 9-year-old son. I won't say his name, but we'll call him MiniPotty. MiniPotty, mate, thank you ever so much. I really appreciate the lock. Well, all the locks, fantastic they are. Full disclosure, this is my third attempt at picking this. So whatever he's got in here, it's a nightmare. Right, so new angle. Let's have a go from there. Yeah, okay, let's try that. So let's try with the gem. 5-pinner. Click on 1. 2 springy. Click on 3. Click on 4, full set, came on 4. A little bit on 5, a little bit more on 3. Sorry, 2. A little bit on 1. A little bit on 5. I don't know if I've been oversetting or something, but honest to God, I spent a good 10 minutes picking on this. We've got some precision German engineering from Mr. MiniPotty, Master MiniPotty. Fantastic, mate. This is a really, really, really good effort. You're going to have orders from all around the world, probably. Make me a challenge lock. Could be a little business in that. I'm going to call this video "Nobbled by a 9-year-old" because that is exactly what's happening here. I want to get this open because I want to see what he's got inside it. I did make him, well, I made one dedicated one and then a family one, which basically it's for MiniPotty, but well, so they can all have a pick on it basically. So yeah, what were you doing at 9 years of age? You weren't making a challenge lock like this one. By far the most awkward I.S.E.O I've ever opened. I haven't opened it. Not even off camera. This is my third video, as I think I've said. So maybe my arrogance, I thought, oh yeah, I'll be able to do that now on camera, but nope. There's just nothing going on inside. It's bizarre. Completely nobbled by 9-year-old. Right, so 1. A little bit of a creak on 4 there. So I'm using heavy tension now till I can get my full set back, which is there. So that's light tension again, so I can feel around for a little bit of feedback. of which there isn't any. So I'm sort of just guessing where I think. I reckon there's some deep, one of those deep spools somewhere or something like that. 5. Bit of crunching going on in there. Is that it? Really high 5 maybe. Back to the false set on 1. There's a high one somewhere I'm missing. Gotta be. Okay, low bell 3. Tiny bell 4. What's it on? 6.5 minutes. Gee whiz. Jeez. Dude. Dude. Right. Get this out of here. I'm very impressed by that. Extremely impressed. Now, there better be some good tack in here, otherwise I'm going to be made to look very ordinary. Okay. Goes the clip. I swear I'll look at the key. It's a low 1, I can see that now. Man alive. I don't have to film this again. I mean, third time is enough, isn't it? Look at that. Yes, it was a high 3, 4 and 5. I knew I was getting into trouble there. Right, how shall we do this with a pinning shoe? Maybe not. Okay. I'm all over the place now. He's he's just left me bemused. Amazing. Very impressed. Unbelievable. Okay, so here we go. Let's have a look what he's got in here. Oh shoot. I see GG pins. Oh no, they're not. They are serrated. Right. Oh, I dropped them as well. Oh, they're really good. Because there's some serious pins in here. It's not just me, yeah. I think it was like this. Yeah, deep spool. Oh, it's not that deep, but it is a... I mucked that up. But sorry, MiniPotty. Ah. Is that a pin with a hole in it? Okie dokie. Okay, so let's have a look at the key pins. Where does that pin come from? Okay, so I've got another pin here. Up in the Bible, we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 holes. And we've got 6 pins. Is one of these a key pin? I just dropped all the key pins now. I'm a muppet. See, I'm completely and utterly all over the place. It's done more to me than I thought this was going to. Wow, we got some serious pins. I seem to have got one more than I should have somehow. So I'm going to have a little look into. Okay, so let's start at the top. So we've got a lovely sort of GG serrated style brass pin, standard. Another lovely serrated. That's the one with the little hole in it. Experimentation has been going on there. We've got another one here, which I think is actually a GG pin. And then we've got these 2 spools at the back end. Sorry, I'm not paying attention to putting it all in the frame of the camera. And as far as key pins go, we've got a sort of a... it's got bits filed out of it. Steel pin there. Very nice little torpedo-y looking thing. This is probably what my problem was, like something like that getting hung up in the shear line. Beautiful idea, that lovely pin. And then number 4, yeah. And number 5, look at that for a key pin. So I don't know where these 6 pins have come from. I'm going to have a little look into that. But MiniPotty, Master Potty, both of you, thank you ever so much for the locks. And this, if you ever have a chance to get one made by him, now's the time to get it in, because he's going to be the premier lock maker of Europe, I reckon. Going on that. Nice one. Let's just have a look in the core, see if there's anything in here. Thankfully not. Wow, 13 minutes. Not many locks do that, mate. Nice one. Take it easy. Be good. Okay, so I think I've sorted it out. So it was probably something like that. So we've got a standard, 2 serrated, 2 spools. The one with the hole in it, I thought it was a little bit of a coincidence. I made this. I made that hole about 3-4 hours ago. I don't know what I didn't know it was in the tray, which is why I thought it came out of MiniPotti's lock here. But so ignore the pin with the hole in it. I am a muppet. I was all over the place. I was thrown for a loop by Master Potti's lock. So anyway, that is how it looks at the top. Take it easy.